Let me show you how to keep simple, honest books so you are not caught off guard by KRA, IRS, or by life. Why this matters? No matter where you are, Nairobi or New Jersey, if you are earning from rent, business, or online work, you must keep records. Good bookkeeping protects your money, helps with taxes, and keeps your business accountable. Start with a simple cash book. This is where you write down all your income and expenses in one place. It helps you track your profit or loss, manage daily cash flow, and prepare for tax season. You can use a notebook, an Excel, a Google Sheet, or free apps like Wave or QuickBooks. For Diaspora people, Google Sheets is perfect if you need access from anywhere. In the next video, I will show you how you fill your cash book using our tool. So what exactly should you track? These 5 things. 1. Your income. 2. Your expenses. 3. Cash versus bank or mobile wallets. Then 4. Your debts that you owe. 5. Money owed to you. Whether your business is based in Kenya or you are earning from abroad, these still apply. Then separate business and personal money. Never mix business money with personal money. It leads to confusion, mistakes, and poor decisions. Open a separate bank account or an M-Pesa till just for your business. Diaspora people, open a USD wallet or side hustle account. It makes tracking way easier. File and store all receipts. Receipts do matter. Even screenshots, WhatsApp receipts, or email invoices count. Store them in Google Drive, Dropbox, or email folders. If you use a laptop, back them up on a flash disk or external hard drive. For Diaspora folks, don't forget to save receipts from apps like PayPal, Wise, or Remitry. Reconcile your records regularly. Reconciling simply means checking if your records match what is in your bank or M-Pesa. If your books say that you have 10,000 shillings, but your M-Pesa has only 6,000, then something is wrong. You must find the difference and correct it. Once a week or at least monthly, compare your records against your M-Pesa, bank or wallet balances. This helps catch mistakes early. If you are abroad, reconcile your Kenya income with your US side, especially for rental or transfers. Maintain a daily petty cash record. Petty cash is the money used for small daily stuff like airtime, transport, lunch, small supplies, etc. Track every coin. These little expenses can sneak up and drain your profit. For Diaspora people, even if you don't use physical cash, track your micro spends every day. Things like coffee, snacks, rides, etc. Every 1,000 shillings or $50 should be treated seriously. You worked hard for it. You want to know how to record it properly? That is in the next video with our ready-to-use logbook. So you can use a simple template and we have got you for that. To make it easier for you, we have created a small business records toolkit. It comes with a bookkeeping sheet, petty cash log, a monthly summary, and a step-by-step guide. You can comment toolkit below or DM and I'll give you your copy. Bonus tips for you for your business. Budget monthly, especially for tax season. Save at least 10 to 15% of what you earn. If it's overwhelming, train someone to help you. And please back up your records. You can use the cloud or just save to a flash disk or hard disk. Don't let your business data disappear when your phone does. Don't wait for KRA or IRS drama. If your records are a mess, the tax guys will guess and often overcharge you. Clean records gives you peace of mind and less tax stress. Ready to organize your records and take control of your business? Comment toolkit below and get your templates. And watch the next video where I'll show you exactly how to use the templates step by step. Subscribe for more tips whether you are in Kenya or diaspora.